Hello students, next topic is important hydrolysis of halides. Hydrolysis of halides, that is metal halides and non-metal halides. First one, metal halides. When metal halide example beryllium chloride BeCl2. When beryllium chloride dissolve in water to form, this beryllium is the metal, so it is always to give beryllium is metal. When metal dissolve in water to form base, to give beryllium, to give base, beryllium hydroxide. When metal dissolve in water to form metal hydroxide, means that is beryllium hydroxide. Beryllium dissolve in water to form beryllium hydroxide. And chlorine is non-metal. When non-metal dissolve in water to form gas, when non-metal dissolve in water to give gas, that is hydrochloric acid, HCl. Beryllium chloride dissolve in water to form beryllium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. This is also gas. So what is the, it is not balanced. Beryllium here, beryllium already balanced. Hydrogens are not balanced. So take the here 2 HCl, 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. Here 2 moles of, take the 2 moles of water molecule. When beryllium chloride dissolve in water to form, beryllium chloride react with 2 moles of water to form beryllium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. And magnesium chloride, when MgCl2 dissolve in water to form, magnesium is the metal, so when metal dissolve in water to form metal hydroxide, that is magnesium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid. Here also take the 2 moles of water molecule, here 2 moles of HCl. And another one is when aluminum trichloride AlCl3 dissolve in water to form aluminum hydroxide, AlO is taken 3 times plus 3 moles of hydrochloric acid, 3HCl. When metal dissolve in water to form metal hydroxide, aluminum dissolve in water to form aluminum hydroxide or aluminum trioxide, AlO is taken 3 times plus 3 moles of hydrochloric acid. Take the here 3 moles of water molecule. These are the important metal halides. When metal halides are dissolved in water to form metal hydroxide and acid. One is base, another one is acid. Simply remember, when metal halide, any metal halide dissolve in water to form, one is base, another one is acid. To give, when metal halide dissolve in water, to give one compound is, one product is base, another product is acid. These are the important simple tricks, students. And next one is continuation, that is hydrolysis of non-metal halides. Hydrolysis of non-metal halides. Non-metal means here boron trichloride, BCl3. Boron trichloride. When BCl3, boron trichloride dissolve in water to form boric acid, H3BO3, boric acid, H3BO3. When non-metal halides dissolve in water to give, one is acid, H3BO3, that is boric acid plus hydrochloric acid, H3BO3 plus 3HCl. This is the important 2BCl3 and 6 moles of hydrochloric acid. 2 moles of beryllium boron trichloride dissolve in water to form H3BO3 plus hydrochloric acid, H3BO3 boric acid plus hydrochloric acid. Here total number of moles of hydrogens here 2 borons are there, here also 2 borons, 2 is 6. So now take the 6 moles of water molecule, 6 moles of water molecule. And another one is the silicon tetrachloride. The silicon tetrachloride SiCl4 when dissolve in water, or tetrachlorosilane, that is SiCl4 dissolve in water to form silicic acid, SiOH taken 4 times, SiOH taken 4 times plus 4HCl. It is also very most important, student, that is, or we can add H4SiO4, SiOH taken 4 times or H4SiO4, silicic acid and HCl. Here also take the 4 moles of water molecule. When PCl3, when phosphorus trichloride, PCl3, both are non-metal halide, PCl3 dissolve in water to form orthophosphorus acid, H3PO3 plus hydrochloric acid, H3PO3 plus hydrochloric acid. When PCl5 dissolve in water, here take the, it is not balanced, here total number of hydrogen on right hand side 3 plus 3, 6. So now take the 3 moles of water molecule. When PCl5 dissolve in water to form POCl3 plus 2HCl, phosphorus oxychloride. When POCl3 again dissolve in water to form H3PO4 plus 3HCl. This is the pentahalide. When phosphorus chloride, phosphorus pentachloride, when PCl5 dissolve in water to form POCl3 plus hydrochloric acid. Again POCl3 dissolve in water, to form orthophosphoric acid H3PO4 plus 3HCl. H3PO4, here also it is the take the 3 moles of water molecule. When POCl3 dissolve in water to form H3PO4. H3PO4 is called orthophosphoric acid, plus 3HCl. And PCl3 dissolve in water to form orthophosphorus. This is called us acid, orthophosphorus acid. When PCl3 dissolve in water to form orthophosphorus acid, and PCl5 dissolve in water to form orthophosphoric acid. This is also very most important, student. These are the hydrolysis of non-metal halides. And another one is NCl3. When NCl3 dissolve in water to form, that is ammonia plus HOCl, hypochlorous acid. NCl3 plus dissolve in water, one is ammonia plus other one is hypochlorous acid. Ammonia is the gas, NH3 gas, HOCl is the oxo acid, HOCl. Now take the 3 moles of water. When CCl4, it is also important, student. CCl4 insoluble in water, carbon tetrachloride insoluble in water at room temperature, insoluble in water. CCl4 is insoluble in water. Reason, what is the reason? Due to the absence of vacant d orbital, or another correct reason is the more steric crowding. Means by the CCl4 is large size, so chlorine is the compared to carbon, chlorine is the large size, so that is simple reason is, correct reason is more steric crowd. Another reason is due to the absence of vacant d orbital also. CCl4 carbon tetrachloride insoluble in water. Why? Due to the absence of vacant d orbital. Another correct reason is a more steric crowd also, another reason. And NF3 insoluble in water. NF3 insoluble in water at room temperature. This is the very most important, students. CCl4 and NF3 insoluble in water at room temperature, but CCl4 dissolve in water at high temperature. It is also very most important, student. High temperature and high pressure. CCl4 dissolve in water in the presence of high temperature and high pressure to form phosgene, COCl2 plus hydrochloric acid. CCl4 soluble in water. In the presence of high temperature and pressure. CCl4 insoluble in water at room temperature, but CCl4 dissolve in water at high temperature and pressure to form phosgene, COCl. Phosgene is a poisonous gas, COCl2 plus hydrochloric acid. And NF3 also dissolve in water at high temperature and pressure. NF3 also dissolve in water at high temperature and pressure to form N2O3 plus HF, hydrogen fluoride. It is also very most important, student. NF3 means that is not balanced, 2 NF3 plus 3H2O, it gives rise to N2O3 plus 6HF. It is also very most important. So these are the CCl4 and NF3 insoluble in water at room temperature, but CCl4 and NF3 soluble in water at high temperature and pressure. It is very most important point, students. These are the important non-metal halides. So hydrolysis. These are the hydrolysis of non-metal halides, students. If you like my video, please like and share, and thank you.